Guys, we are here now in Citadel. Yes, ito po yung aming accommodation. And syempre, ang dami na namang Pilipino. So, ang mga nag-accommodate sa amin ay mga Filipino. Thank you mga kababayan. And now I'm going to show you our accommodation. Look at ang haba ng hallway. Ayan, and ito po yung, yan ang aking matrimonial bed. Ito po yung naka-assign sa aming higaan. And meron kaming TV, meron kaming dining table, and obviously there is a kitchenette. May fridge na rin po dyan. Tingnan natin ha. Ayan, may laman na ang fridge kasi nilagyan na po ni Baba Warley ang aming fridge. And of course, we also have a beautiful terrace na maraming damo. Paano ba to? Oh, I can open it. Oh, there. Buksan. Ito po yung aming terrace. Very nice. At least may init po kami dito. And let's go here. Let's go to the room of Sige. Ito ang kwarto ni Sige. Look at the room of Sige. Ayan, tingnan niyo po.
Ano?
Diba? Ayan.
Ganda.
And ito naman ang kay Rudy tsaka kay Angie. Kung saan nangyayaring mga lagim. Dito po. Oh, diba? Ang ganda rin po ng aming room dito. And let's go to the toilet.
Individual aircon.
Ito po yung toilet, and ang maganda dito, it's fully air conditioned yung accommodation. So kahit mainit, may aircon. Pero look at this, di ba? Ang linis, maganda, at lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na. And they've got loads of towels. Wala pong limit ang paggamit ng towels. So that's it, guys. It's again Citadel in, where am I?
South Vienna.
South Vienna. Lagi po ako nagsistay sa Citadel kasi I know that they are really good. Even when I was in Paris, I've been in Citadel as well. And where else did I go?
Brussels.
Yes, when in Brussels, we also stayed in Citadel noon pa. Okay? So, thank you guys! See you later! Guys, mga baby ko, we found out that we need to buy a ticket to get into the tram, bus, and everything. Lahat ng transport dito sa Vienna, it's 17 euros 10 pence. 17.10 for 3 days. So, ito po yung ticket namin. And then, sabi nila, you just have to activate it once, and then, baba, on and off ka na for any transport. They don't need to see it again. Basta tago mo lang just in case that there will be an inspection. There you are, guys. We learned something today. 17.10 euros for 3 days. So, yan po ang machine na ginagamit to activate your ticket. So, you just have to activate it once and then that's it. You can just use or you can just hop on and hop off to any tram and buses in this country. You can also buy a ticket from the train. Ito po yung train na sinasakyan namin. Meron po silang machine to buy the ticket. But when I tried earlier, it did not allow me because they don't accept cards. They only accept coins. So maybe hindi lang naman yan dito sa train na to. Maybe ang ibang train, they are accepting it. So what we did, we have to get off from the main train station and then we have to go to the office and buy the ticket. So, yun po ginawa namin kasi ayaw naman namin mahuli kami na wala kami ticket. So, yun po. Guys! Hello mga bibi! Nandito po tayo sa Belvedere ng Vienna. So, I've been here before but I'm just taking these guys here at the back. They are my friends and we, as you know, been traveling here in Europe using the train or via train. Yes, so now, eto kami. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano na itsura ng Belvedere this time because the last time we came here, COVID pa yun. So, eto na siya ngayon. There's nothing much difference, pero ito po yung Belvedere. Okay? So, show you. Ito ang Belvedere. Na, yan. So, pasyal-pasyal lang sila dyan. Pasyal-pasyal lang. Oh, ang mga takot sa init. Nagtago na ang mga takot sa init. Ayan sila. So, this is the whole lot of the Belvedere Palace. We're going to the front. May mga Sphinx sila, Sphinx. Mga baby, sobrang init. Kaya kami nagmamadali. We are running because of it's too hot. But some of us are enjoying it. Ako okay lang. Basta may tubig lang ako maiinom. And now, we are finished here at Belvedere. And we are now going to town, the city center. Kasi we have to eat na. We want to eat and we want to have ice cream. No ice cream? No water? Oh my God. Okay. Let's go. Muna kami sa city center. We're going to find something to drink and eat. Oh, there's Starbucks, oh. Stop over muna kami. Stop over and we're having a drink at Starbucks. That is the Opera House. This one. This is Borgarten. Welcome to the Ephesus Museum. This is still in Vienna. Mga baby, of course, food is part of our holiday. So, tingnan nyo, ang daming market dito. So, I'm just going to show it to you. Hold on, look at them. Of course, hindi lang siya food. Drinks din. Oh, may mga truck. Maybe we'll just buy beer. And we will drink beer. O, diba? Oh, ano pang meron dito? Let's check if they've got fries. Oh no, I don't like burger. We don't like burger. Fries lang, fries. Let's look for fries. So we decided to hire a Rolls-Royce Jeep. We paid 50 euros for 30 minutes to show us around Vienna. The parliament worth 350 million. 350 million for renovation only. Yeah.
Your money too.
Oh, I want to drive this car.
Okay. This built 1885.
This is the Burj Theater, the oldest theater in Europe. Or that's Beethoven's house. But I'm sure he got this. What's this? Which one is his house? The white one?
This white one.
The white one. Oh, right. So that is the house of Beethoven, the top floor. Mga baby, tumaan din kami sa Albertina. Albertina is one of the museums in Vienna. Vienna Opera House. That is the Opera House. That way they're going to the city center. And then, that way, going to the parliament. So, ayan. Parang memorize ko na ang lugar na ito because I've been here twice and I am really liking it. Mga baby, I think the day is over because it's 7 o'clock in the evening and everyone is tired. We've been walking around, nag-window shopping din kami. Remember, window shopping only. We're not allowed to go shopping because this holiday is not including shopping. So, mga baby, it's time to say goodbye and I will see you tomorrow.